Our exploration of the advancements in unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, launches our journey into the realm of cargo drones. We'll be honing in on China's pivotal role in this technological leap forward. From the bustling city of Xian to the coastal city of Zhuhai, Chinese engineers are stretching the limits of what drones can accomplish in transportation and logistics. Stay tuned as we uncover the narratives behind some of the most innovative cargo drones. The HH-100, the Gray Whale G1, and the TP-500. Prepare to witness the evolution of transportation firsthand. The HH-100, crafted by Xian Aircraft Industry under the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, AVIC, marks a significant milestone in China's UAV program. This unmanned cargo aircraft has undergone extensive testing and has demonstrated its efficacy in various scenarios. With a maximum takeoff weight of 2,000 kilograms and a payload capacity of 700 kilograms, the HH-100 offers versatility and serves various purposes, from fetal logistics to firefighting endeavors. Its distinguishing features include affordability, substantial cargo capacity, and reliance on domestically sourced components, showcasing China's self-sufficiency in drone production. Xian, an emerging player in China's drone sector, has introduced its latest innovation, the Gray Whale G1. Tailored for traversing challenging terrains, from remote islands to high-altitude mountainous regions, this next-generation cargo unmanned helicopter boasts a payload capacity of 21 kilograms and a flight range of 60 kilometers. Notably, it integrates safety measures like a built-in parachute, ensuring stable and accurate autonomous landings, even in emergencies. Zhuhai Xian Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Company Limited, the brains behind this technological marvel, specializes in pioneering research and development endeavors centered on cutting-edge small and medium-sized electric unmanned helicopters. China's inaugural large unmanned freighter, the TP-500, has successfully completed its maiden flight, representing a significant milestone in Chinese aviation history. Developed and produced exclusively by the AVIC First Aircraft Institute, the TP-500 adheres meticulously to stringent civil aviation regulations, distinguishing itself as China's premier large unmanned freighter crafted under such rigorous standards. Boasting a standard load capacity of 500 kilograms and the capability to transport cargo up to 500 kilometers, this drone serves as a versatile unmanned transport platform tailored to address diverse logistical requirements. Harnessing composite materials and sophisticated integrated assembly techniques, the TP-500 strikes a delicate equilibrium between structural weight reduction and durability, ensuring superior performance in aerial operations. Meanwhile, as China forges ahead in the realm of unmanned freight, DJI, renowned for its consumer-grade drones, has made a foray into cargo transportation with its Flycart 30. Operating within the picturesque confines of Huangshan Resort in China's eastern Anhui province, this cargo drone is revolutionizing mountain logistics in areas where traditional transportation methods face challenges posed by rugged terrain and limited road infrastructure. Priced competitively at 125,000 Chinese yuan, the Flycart 30 offers a cost-effective and efficient solution, capable of carrying goods weighing between 30 to 40 kilograms per trip over a distance of 16 kilometers. Enhanced with satellite mapping technology and featuring a foldable design for easy transportability, the Flycart 30 exemplifies DJI's unwavering dedication to advancing cargo drone innovation. From bustling urban landscapes to serene mountain terrains, China's drone technology is fundamentally reshaping conventional notions of logistics and transportation. The exploration of cargo drone applications extends beyond DJI, encompassing other industry leaders like SF Holding and JD Logistics. SF Holding has introduced the ARC-150, a high-capacity logistics drone capable of carrying up to 50 kilograms. The ARC-150 is poised to transform the delivery of goods to remote and challenging locations, including scenic spots and remote areas requiring fresh food transportation. This initiative by SF Holding marks a bold stride towards leveraging drone technology to address logistical hurdles. Similarly, JD Logistics is actively pursuing the integration of cargo drones into its delivery services, signaling a significant shift towards increased automation and efficiency in the logistics sector. From consumer drones to cargo drones, China is at the forefront of reshaping the future of logistics. In the realm of cargo drones, the sky is not the limit. Rather, it serves as the starting point for exploration. However, this journey is not devoid of challenges. Key obstacles include high battery demands, demanding flight schedules, and stringent air traffic management regulations. The substantial battery requirement poses a significant hurdle, as drones must possess sufficient power to carry heavy loads over extended distances. To address this, companies are investing in advanced battery technology to extend flight durations. Additionally, the intricacies of intense flight schedules necessitate robust and efficient flight control systems. Innovations in this domain are yielding more sophisticated systems capable of managing demanding flight schedules effectively. Furthermore, stringent air traffic management regulations mandate precision and reliability in cargo drones. To meet these requirements, companies are developing advanced navigation systems and collision avoidance technologies. While these challenges may appear daunting, they serve as catalysts for innovation in this dynamic field. Overcoming these obstacles enhances the potential of cargo drones to revolutionize global logistics significantly. Let's pause for a moment to contemplate the potential impact these technological wonders could wield on our society and economy. Envision a world where supply chains operate with unparalleled efficiency, significantly reducing reliance on traditional transportation methods. This is the promise that cargo drones hold. By enhancing efficiency and reducing costs for businesses, these drones are poised to revolutionize commerce on a fundamental level. However, their benefits extend beyond commerce. In regions lacking infrastructure or during crises such as natural disasters, cargo drones can provide crucial assistance by swiftly delivering essential supplies and aid to those in need. Furthermore, the emergence of cargo drones could spawn new job opportunities within the drone industry, stimulating economic growth and fostering innovation. What was once a niche sector, the drone industry is poised to assume a prominent role in the global economy. As we surmount challenges and push boundaries, we draw closer to a future where cargo drones are deeply ingrained in our societal fabric. This transformation transcends mere transportation. It embodies a profound shift. It's vital to consider their environmental impact. These drones have the capacity to notably reduce our carbon footprint by replacing traditional fuel-heavy transport methods with energy-efficient alternatives. By shifting away from fuel-consuming trucks and cargo planes, they aid in combating climate change, emitting far less CO2 than conventional methods and reducing the need for extensive infrastructure like roads and bridges. This transition holds significant promise, especially in ecologically sensitive areas. Additionally, cargo drones can contribute to environmental sustainability by facilitating more efficient logistics, minimizing waste, and reducing unnecessary consumption. They are actively shaping a more sustainable world, not just transforming our economy and society. Furthermore, we must address the regulatory frameworks and legal considerations accompanying this technological revolution. As commercial drone operations proliferate, governments worldwide grapple with balancing innovation and safety. This involves managing airspace, addressing privacy concerns, and finding the right equilibrium between fostering drone technology and safeguarding public safety and privacy rights. Clear guidelines and standards for drone operations are imperative to foster innovation while managing associated risks. Acknowledging the importance of law and order is essential as we embrace the future of cargo drones in this rapidly evolving industry. We're on the verge of an exciting new era for cargo drones. Advancements in artificial intelligence, sensors, and 5G connectivity are enhancing their capabilities. Picture a world where cargo drones autonomously navigate routes, revolutionizing delivery efficiency, especially in urban areas. This future is becoming a reality, not just science fiction. As technology matures and costs decrease, businesses of all sizes can utilize drones, driving innovation in industries from e-commerce to emergency services. The sky is no limit for cargo drones. It's just the beginning. After exploring the diverse applications and potential impact of cargo drones, how do you envision their role in shaping the future of transportation and logistics? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to become a part of the Revel Discovery community, by hitting that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and innovations. Explore endless tech possibilities for an exciting future.